Which tool for winning products on TikTok Shop? TikTok Shop has exploded in popularity, and sellers around the world are looking for tools that help them discover winning products faster and more accurately. Two of the most talked about platforms in 2026 for TikTok Shop product research are Minea and Kalodata. Both promise ways to find trending products, analyze performance metrics, and give you an edge in a fast-moving market. But which one is actually better for discovering winning products on TikTok Shop? Let's break it down. Minea positions itself as a product intelligence tool focused on real-time trend discovery, particularly for marketplaces like TikTok Shop and TikTok Ads. One of its core features is the ability to show trending TikTok products with real engagement data views, likes, shares, and social signals that give you a bird's-eye view of what's gaining popularity. For sellers who want to catch trends early before competitors do, that live trend layer is appealing. Minea's interface is fairly intuitive. You can filter by category, country, engagement metrics, and sort products by estimated popularity. Many users appreciate how fast it updates because TikTok trends evolve quickly, and what's hot today can cool off tomorrow. Another strength of Minea is its trend analytics over time. Instead of just giving you a snapshot, some data points show how a product's trend has evolved, whether interest is spiking or dropping. This helps sellers avoid products that had a short burst of hype but may not sustain demand. For TikTok Shop, where trends can be extremely volatile, this kind of insight can make the difference between picking a solid product and chasing a flash in the pan. However, Minea does have limitations. Being trend-driven, it excels when the objective is discovering rising demand, but it doesn't always provide deep downstream metrics like estimated revenue, conversion rates, or competitive saturation levels. You can see what's trending, but understanding how those trends might translate into actual sales revenue on TikTok Shop sometimes requires additional tools or manual validation. For newer sellers or those who want a complete shop analysis ecosystem, Minea may feel like one piece of the puzzle rather than the whole picture. Kalodata, on the other hand, approaches TikTok Shop research from a broader commerce analytics perspective. It still offers trend discovery, but it also aims to give deeper product insights, including price history, seller saturation, performance scores, and cross-market comparisons. Kalodata's data often includes estimated sales ranges, pricing dynamics, and category performance benchmarks. For sellers who want to understand not just what's trending, but why and how that product performs financially, Kalodata's analytics can be very helpful. One area where Kalodata stands out is its product scoring and competitive analysis. Instead of just showing trending products, Kalodata can help you compare multiple products side by side based on engagement, price, estimated demand, and competition. This makes it easier to prioritize which products are truly worth testing on TikTok Shop and which ones might be too crowded or low margin. That said, Kalodata's depth comes with a trade-off. The interface can feel more complex, and unless you're familiar with interpreting advanced analytics, the richness of the data might be overwhelming at first. Some users prefer a lighter, more intuitive experience, which is where Minea's simpler trend-focused approach still has value. Pricing is another differentiator. Minea often offers tiered plans that are more focused on trend discovery and engagement metrics, making it attractive for sellers who primarily want to catch new trends early. Kalodata's pricing typically reflects its more comprehensive analytics offerings. For sellers who need deeper revenue and performance insights, the higher tier can feel justified, but for those who just want quick trend spotting, it may feel like more than they need. So which tool is better for winning products on TikTok Shop in 2026? The honest answer depends on your approach. If you're focused on real-time trends and want to spot rising products quickly with a light interface, Minea is a strong choice. It's fast, easy to use, and built around the social signals that drive TikTok virality. If you need deeper analytics, competitive scoring, revenue estimates, and broader product insights, Kalodata gives you a more complete picture. It's especially useful if you're ready to invest more time and budget into research and want tools that help you compare and prioritize product opportunities with more confidence. Neither tool is a scam, both are real, actively updated platforms with real user communities. The key is matching your workflow, trend spotting versus deep analysis. Many successful sellers actually use both Minea to spot trends and Kalodata to validate them. If this comparison helped you decide which tool fits your TikTok Shop strategy in 2026, leave a like, subscribe for more honest product research reviews, and share in the comments, are you Team Minea or Team Kalodata? Stay strategic, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.